Yun, we had Enrico. Enrico had to become a bully, well, from day one.
Yo, from day one.
Yeah.
From day one.
Yeah.
Si Enrico from day one, hindi takot sa veterano. Day one, he was the starter already for our team. He didn't back down from anyone. He got his licks too.
Mhm.
He had to learn as a rookie. Siyempre, pag veterano ka, uy, rookie to, di ba? Ano natin, welcome to the UAAP, di ba? He took that and he gave it, di ba? I mean,
Yeah.
and the thing with Enrico was, he was the focal point of our offense. He encountered double teams, he encountered schemes. They would prefer for Enrico to post on the other side sa left hand
Left,
niya,
yeah.
right?
Back down
That's
with the
how
left.
kasi pag kanan ni Enrico yan, patay ka na eh.
Strong.
'Di ba? So he had to learn and he had to overcome all of these things while at the same time had to get rebounds, play 30 minutes per game, and at the same time be the bully inside the paint for us. 'Di ba? Yun yung other side naman ni Enrico na mahirap kasi nga siya yung go-to na namin, siya pa yung go-to, yung siya yung bully pa namin. 'Di ba?
How was Enrico a bully nung UAP?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
No, I mean, he's the type of player na you cannot show weakness. Kasi pag kunyari, tinira ka niya at hindi ka gumante,
You do it again.
tutuloy-tuloy yan. Tutuloy-tuloy yan. Hindi ka niya titigilan. So, he's the type of person. Kumbaga, mas nakakita lang siya ng konting weakness sa'yo. Saka ang ugali ni Rico was, ayaw niya nagpapalamang. Pag tinira mo siya, babalikan ka niya. Mahuli siya o hindi, basta babalikan ka niya.
I've gotten elbowed by Enrico, but I've given it back. I've gotten, all of that. I don't think there's a big man in the UAP that hasn't happened with because of how physical that I play. But at the same time, like just going back to what Wesley said, I've seen firsthand the the way Enrico would bully bigs, and the bigs on our team, kasi like Carlo, same size, but Manny, even how strong Adonis is, voila, Enrico's a lot stronger than Adonis, and he's bigger than Adonis. So if psychologically Enrico knows from what I felt there back then in the UAP, if he knows that I can take you and like that, he's gonna do it again and again and again. Ayun, dumating si Sharma. Wala, match na.
No, I mean, if I may, no? Kasi ito si Rico, my mindset going to the game, siguro nga, me thinking na baka nailang sa akin to, medyo takot sa akin. Pero hindi naman pala. So maybe, yun lang yung mindset na yun ng nagdadala na siguro. Kaya going into that game, talagang mataas yung confidence level
May
ko.
extra
Dahil doon,
kumpiyansa ka eh, no? May narinig akong kwento. Everyone thinks that when we talk about bigs, diba? Hindi natin pinag-uusapan si Rich Alvarez pagdating dun sa mga tough, mentally tough, na makikipag-away. And apparently, ewan ko kung totoo to pero totoo ba na nag-away Rich Alvarez na para bang di mo sasabing di ba, nananakit. Rich versus Enrico Villanueva, totoo nag-away ba, Wes?
Nag-away
Kailan
sila
ba
ng
talaga?
konti. Nag-away sila ng konti. Medyo Siyempre, in a practice naman, it's normal for, teammates to fight. Siyempre, parang isa ayaw magpatalo. Yung isa, siyempre, alam mo yun, nagkasikohan ng konti.
May cone.
Konti. Nagkasikohan sila. Well, siyempre, I think nasa...
Kind of like this, like
I think that was in Celebrity Sports Plaza. Siyempre, the practice was intense, nagkasikuhan, and at that moment, siyempre minsan it's either pigilan kayo ng coach na mag-away, or sige, mag-away kayo dyan. At the time, sige, away kayo. So nung pinayaan sila mag-away, nagsuntukan silang dalawa, ang hirap pigilin.
Bakit?
Kasi, siyempre ako, Enrico Villanueva, ang laki. Rich Alvarez, ang laki rin. Kung gigitna ka, ayaw mo masapak, di ba? Di parang chichempo ka, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka papasok o hindi. And it took a while. Parang as Coach Sandy said, parang it was a good 40 to 60 seconds na talagang nagsusuntukan lang sila. And hindi lang isang tao kailangan umawat nung time na yun. Talagang buong team.
I think yung sinabi ni Wes, sometimes conflict in the team, I guess, it's either you break apart or you come even
Yeah.
closer. And I think maybe Enrico and Rich knew that, oh, this guy is willing to, if he's willing to fight me, that means he's willing to fight with me. Di ba? So I think that helped their bond and their relationship. Lalo na sila yung tandem na
Yes.
5 and 4, di ba? And they complemented each other sa style of play nila a lot. And you say that Rich is the chill one, but Rich is competitive.
Super.
Kahit na ganun yung demeanor ni Rich, di ba?
Super.
And it's a perfect segue kasi nga, si Rich, as the history books will show, was a back-to-back MVP. But
he
all
was.
5 of us know, yung MVP award na yon was for someone else. Who was that person, Willie?
I'd like to say it was for Enrico.
Yeah.
Enrico. I mean, had he not gotten
Suspended.
suspended
One game
as
suspension.
early as 99, Enrico was already in the running
Contender,
for,
yeah.
for MVP awards. I think one of Aliado's MVP awards was contested. Like it could have gone either way. So I mean, there's no doubt. I don't think anybody would ever say that, you know, Enrico was not the main guy on those Ateneo teams.